Okay, so our curry's dried up really nice and well, and it looks a little too dry for me, so because I like a little more gravy in my curry. So you have an option here. You could add a little more coconut milk, or sometimes I just like to add beef bouillon or chicken bouillon, whatever you have on hand. You know, do the carton variety. I always like to just carry this because it gives me a lot more bang for my buck. So I'm going to use about half a tablespoon, mix it in with some warm water, and let's do about another half a cup of hot water, well, warm water. Dissolve that. And it'll dissolve in your curry too, so you don't really have to get it. I'm just going to put that in there. So that gives it a different depth of flavor, and I like it in my curry. Okay, at this point, so it's been about 35 minutes since this has been cooking, and now really it's cooked, it's ready to go, but I want those beef broth flavors to get into my curry too. So I'm just going to close it, leave it on low for a little longer.